How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about this cigarette roller. Basically, the way this works is it has a little lock piece you just take off here. You're going to lift this handle, you load the tobacco in here, and then you're going to put the cigarette paper roll on this end, and then you're just going to shove it on down, and it has like this thing that comes out that actually loads the cigarette. There's an adjuster here for different sizes of cigarettes. This one's for the 8mm roll. And you want to pack this fairly light, not too firm, but you want to pack the back end a little firm because that's going to make the end of the cigarette nice and thick. If you have it too loose on this back end, the tobacco tends to fall out a little bit. This doesn't come with its own paper or its tobacco. You'd have to go buy that yourself. There are these little accessory pieces to help with the device. This one's just a little water bottle sprayer. You can put some chemicals to clean this because over time it might need a good cleaning. It's got this little brush, kind of like a little paintbrush, but that's basically just to sweep the tobacco into the little chamber right there. And then it has these two things here. Now, the black one is going to be to shove inside this hole. So whenever this is raised up, you can shove the black pipe cleaner in here to clean out the little area. And then I suppose you could kind of pick it out with this as well, but what I like to do is I like to pack the cigarettes with this little piece. It's like the perfect size to kind of pack to make sure that it's, in there really nice how you like it. But it's got a nice little color here with the green. It's a fairly heavy device. It's got a little bit of weight to it. And yeah, it's going to be able to roll a lot of cigarettes, hopefully last a long time, but pretty nifty little device if you want to get into this. It's kind of like a little pet project, so you can do your own thing. But sturdy device, nice little chrome here on the handles, but overall it gets the job done.